Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by signing in and confirming location and maps permissions so data syncs across devices. Once done, set home and work for instant routing and download offline maps for any region you'll need without cellular. Make sure to switch to satellite or street view when visual context matters and enable the traffic layer to see live delays. These first steps get critical data loaded and ready. They also reduce interruptions while you navigate or plan. Once your basics are set, experiment with route comparisons and add multiple stops to optimize time. You can tap Avoid Tolls or Avoid Highways to control costs and preferences. Use Timeline to review past trips for reimbursement or memory, and create saved lists to organize places for projects or trips. When walking, use Live View AR to orient yourself quickly, and use the Measure tool to check distances or areas. These features streamline To finish, share your ETA or live location with contacts and export routes to another device if needed, so coordination is seamless. If map data looks wrong, report the error and try clearing cache or reinstalling the app. That fixes stale tiles and sign changes. When offline, rely on downloaded maps and switch to Compass or Live View for orientation. If navigation still fails, toggle location and Wi-Fi briefly. This forces a fresh GPS fix and usually.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.